Are you looking for a cheap, easy, simple seafood entree that will fill you up, that will keep you satisfied, that comes together very quickly, very easy? I got you. Stay tuned. You're going to love this. Yesterday, me and the wife were in the grocery store buying groceries for the week coming up. We ran into a friend of ours. He said, "Rex, can you help me out? My kid going to college is draining me of all my money. The poor kid can't cook. He doesn't know what to do. He's clueless. Can you give me any ideas of what he can make that's simple, easy, and quick?" Robert, this video is for you. All right, first thing we're gonna do, our water has come to a boil, so we're gonna throw in our frozen green beans. You want to cook these in first so they can cook down. Throw those away. Then we're going to cut up our green onion. We'll use the white part here for flavoring in the entree. And we'll use the bell pepper, not too much, just a quarter. The green part of the green onion, they'll go in for garnish. Cut your pepper up. This is probably about 20 cents of a pepper. This goes in. Let all that stuff cook down. Your pho noodles cook very fast. They actually cook 1.5 minutes in the boiling water. Your shrimp, you don't want to put them in there too quick, because if you do, they will turn rubbery. All right, let's throw our chicken base in. I use two kinds of base. I use Knorr chicken and tomato base, and I use Knorr chicken base. With these two guys, they cover all the bases, and they are delicious. All right, let's let this cook down. This is gonna come together so quick, so easy. The chicken base is the only spice that we have in this particular case. All right, let's throw our pho noodles in. Give them 1.5 minutes. They don't take long to cook at all. Once the pho noodles get ready, we will throw in our shrimp, and that's it. The one thing I like about cooking is you can take these same ingredients and you can make them thousands of different ways. Variations, it's great. Learn how to cook. You'll really appreciate it. Your noodles are breaking down. Look at this, the bell pepper, the noodles, the green onions. Very nice. Last but not least, let's throw in our shrimp. Once the shrimp come back to a boil, they turn pink and translucent. This whole entree is done. And you can substitute obviously anything in here. You could add chicken, sausage, pork, beef, whatever. Choice is yours. That is the joy of cooking individual ingredients. Whole thing comes to a boil. The shrimp, which don't take long to cook, once they get translucent, if I can grab one here, bring it up. Shrimp translucent, this is ready to go. Turn the fire off, we're ready to serve. All right, if you like the way the soup is, you can stop right now. Very thin soup, very good broth, nice. But if you want to go a little farther, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a little bit of water, mix this up very gently. You don't want to spill the edges. You can feel in there, you're going to feel all the lumps, get them out. Then take your cornstarch, it's called a slurry, and pour it in. Pour it in slowly, and watch this thicken up. As you get the soup thicker, it will become more filling also when you're cooking. And there's the soup done. Good broth, good thickness. Went and grabbed some tongs to make this easier to come out, to pull these noodles out. Stretch the noodles. Pull them out. Now you can take this and you could take a sauce, put it to there. You could add other ingredients. You could drop an egg in here. All kind of things you can do. Let's pull the noodles out so I don't make a mess. And now we can pour the soup. It's a great meal. It's healthy. It's very clean eating. It's very light. Look at that. I'll leave the ingredients and the cost breakdown and the recipe in the description. In the meantime, that's it. Robert, tell your kid he's not going to starve. He can make a good bowl of soup, feed himself for a whole lot less money than he thought possible. Amazing food. Well, that was a pretty quick video. Let's give this stuff a try. We actually have shrimp in there. They're not too tough. Noodles, peppers, onions. Oh my gosh, that's a killer taste. The only seasoning we had in here was a chicken base. Big bowl of soup, feed a hearty guy, and the cost came to under $3. This in a restaurant would cost you $12 to $14 easily. So, let me know if you want to see more of these kind of videos, these quick, put together videos where things are easy. We can do this all day long. There are literally thousands and thousands of combinations. We could take these same ingredients and I could probably make it 1,000 different ways using different in and out there. As long as you need to have your protein, your starch, your plant, and your fat or flavor. And that's it. Balanced meal. This will keep you full, keep you satisfied, and you won't feel that greasy after fast food afterwards. In the meantime, if you like what we're doing, share the video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about all this. We're trying to teach people how to cook, how to save money, how to feed themselves on a budget. It's not that difficult. It's not magic. And I'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. I'm going to finish this soup. I love shrimp. You take care.